Hello friends, today I'm gonna show you how to change your YouTube location or how to change your country location. First of all, open your YouTube account. Open your YouTube account and then click here. Click YouTube Studio Beta. And then click setting. Click setting channel, and here is the country. You can see here is the country. I'm gonna make it United States America. United States. Save. If you see your channel, you can see about United States. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe, like and share. Thank you so much.